Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you an Indian citizen living in Qatar and wondering how to renew your passport? Well, many Indian expatriates face difficulties renewing their passports in Qatar simply because they don't know the correct process. But don't worry, in this video I will walk you through the ultimate guide to renewing your Indian passport right here in Qatar. So if you live in Qatar and need to renew your passport, watch this video till the end to get all the details you need. Let's start. Now before we get into the how to, let's talk about why passport renewal is crucial for Indian citizens living in Qatar. Whether your passport has expired, you have ran out of visa pages, or maybe you need to update personal details, having an up-to-date passport is essential for a smooth life in Qatar. It's not just about traveling back to India, it's about staying legally compliant, accessing services and maintaining your legal status. You are probably wondering, where do I go to renew my passport? Good news, there are 3 places in Qatar where you can get your Indian passport renewed. Number 1, the Indian Embassy. Second, Indian Community Benevolent Firm. Number 3, Indian Cultural Center. Each of these places allows you to renew your passport, but the procedures vary slightly. Let's break them. Now that you know where to renew, let's begin renewing your Indian passport. Whether you choose the Indian Embassy, ICBF or ICC, the process is pretty similar. I will give you a quick overview of what you must do at each location. First up, let's talk about the Indian Embassy in Doha. Here's the simple 6-step process. Start by generating your application form online through the Passport Seva portal. Once the form is filled out, print it out. Don't forget to attach your recent passport size photos. Head to the Indian Embassy in Doha with all your documents. Submit your documents and the required fees at the embassy. You will receive a receipt with the collection date. On the collection date, visit the embassy again to collect your passport. No appointment needed. If you prefer to go to Indian Cultural Center, the process is quite similar. You will submit your application there, but remember to pay an additional 10 Qatari Riyal service fee. You can also track the status of your passport on the ICC official website. And last but not the least, you can also choose to renew your passport through the Indian Community Benevolent Firm. This is another excellent option, especially since you no longer needed an appointment for passport renewal. Like with the ICC, there is an additional 10 Qatari Riyal service fee when you renew at the ICBF. No matter where you go, you will need a few key documents. Here's the list. Application form for passport renewal, original passport, a copy of your passport, Qatar ID or permanent residence permit, 2 recent passport size photos with a white background. For those under 15, don't forget to bring the child's original passport copies and the parent's Qatar ID. Now let's talk about the fees. Passport renewal fees depend on the type of passport you are renewing, and it can vary slightly depending on where you go. Here are the fees of renewals at the embassy. Regular passports 282 Qatari Riyal, Jumbo passport 373 Qatari Riyal, for minors under 15 191 Qatari Riyal. If you need your passport urgently, you can go to the Tatkal service, but it's a bit pricier. For example, regular passports 828 Qatari Riyal, Jumbo passport 919 Qatari Riyal. Remember, the ICC and ICBF charge an additional 10 Qatari Riyal service fee on top of the embassy's fee. Indian passports typically have a validity of up to 10 years for adult and 5 years for children. Make sure you renew your passport before it expires, especially if you are planning to travel or if you are run out of visa pages. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. When renewing your passport in Qatar, check your passport's validity and apply well before the expiration date. Ensure all documents are in order, especially your Qatar ID and photos. Keep the embassy's working hours in mind. Most offices are open from Sunday to Thursday, but it's always good to double check. Track your passport status if you use ICC or ICBF. So there you have it. ultimate guide to renew your Indian passport in Qatar. Whether you choose the embassy, ICC or ICBF, the process is straightforward as long as you have all your documents ready. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more information about Qatar. Thanks for watching.